another backtesting video. So let's just get straight into it. So on the 4-hour, what do I see? We're in this big 4-hour imbalance. We're hitting EQ of the range, and we have a bunch of low resistance on the upside. I see we have this 30-minute created, so we could short or long from there, just depending like what I'm thinking. But okay, that looks good. But we have the 3 minutes, so we'll wait for the 3 minute to close. Okay, this looks good. I kind of want to take this. But I don't like that I don't like how we failed. This should be on the 3 minutes, so I'm gonna just take that 3 minute entry if we get it. Okay, we get it. Stop loss the body, and then target this. Just get us a 1. Oops. Let's get a 1-to-1. Okay, why is it? Okay, so break even possibly could be here, but we'll see. Okay, so we edge this 30-minute, but we do hit this 15-minute. I think it's better if we just if both of them just hit the 30-minute. Okay, so actually yes, already did hit the 30-minute, so I'm probably gonna go break even right there. So we get our 1-to-1. Okay, now it seems that price slowed down just a bit. See, what do we have from this short? It's kind of looking just like weird price action right now. I'm not sure. Oh, that looks so clean. That AMD right there, but it's not really too good. Okay, this is just looking like chop right now. I don't think I'm gonna take anything today. We're just not getting anything. And it's already end of session, so let's just go to the next day. So we just got that break even the other day. I don't really know what I could have done because we had this huge rejection wick, but yeah. Okay, we see super obvious draw right there. This 4-hour. So I would just look for a 15-minute continuation towards it. Kind of looks like we had CPI this day, or some news at 8:30. Yeah, okay, CPI. So let's see what we get. Okay, so we get this really nice 1 minute, and we tap into this more discounted range. I think I'm gonna take this. Stop loss at the low. But if we do have a 5-minute gap here for a mech model setup, then I probably won't, just because there's such a lack of targets. I want us to get a better close inside of this range, so I'm actually gonna fade this. So we do get this 5-minute continuation short. Honestly, I kind of like this just because we have day lows, a bunch of stacked lows. Actually, no, we don't even hit the 5-minute. If we get a resweep entry, that could be nice. Okay, let's see if we get any if we get this 5-minute inversion, I'll be more willing to take it. Okay, no, we're already in this 15-minute, so it's already out. But we could still target this buy side liquidity here. Okay, so that looks pretty good, but we do have an SMT at the high, and we have a 15-minute gap opening in 2 minutes, so I'm not going to take that. if we get a resweep on this, this will be something I'll be... Okay, yeah, so... Okay, so it just looks kind of like a range day. We barely interact with any of the gaps. Yeah, end of session already, so I'm just gonna skip to the next day. So what I see on the 4 hour is we're still holding bearish price action. We have this very obvious drawn liquidity lower and over here. So I'm just gonna wait for tap into this 30-minute gap or a 5-minute continuation, and you can see what we'll potentially get. I wouldn't say any longs for now unless we get proper confirmation. But let's see. So ES did not hit anything yet. Yeah, okay, so I'm still gonna look. Okay, this reshape looks really nice. Okay, so we're just trending pretty bullish now. I see this buy side liquidity that we have here, so I could take a 5-minute or 15-minute continuation to there. Let's see what we get. I can't really show right now because we just have stacked gaps all over, but this does look pretty nice. We tap in this 15-minute. I don't like how we took out the high. That would have been better if we didn't take out the high. But let's see what else we have. Honestly, yeah, I don't like that we took that out. But I do like this low resistance that we've been stacking here. And I think I'm gonna just end up probably still taking this towards here, and you can see ES is doing the same thing. And okay, let's take this. And I think we're gonna target above to these highs here. Okay, so yeah, we just hit TP on that. I didn't have time even to go breaking, but I'll go right here. That was a little bit riskier trade just because I didn't really like how we swept that high. If we didn't sweep that high, that probably would have been super really good trade. I really like that. But just looking at that, I didn't really like it too much. Let's just go to the next day. So on the 4 hour, what do I see? We're trending bullish, but it looks like we just hit this daily. Yeah, we just hit this daily. And I think we should see a bigger retracement towards here. So I could take a continuation short down there because we look kind of... Oh, actually, I like this low resistance, so possibly just a continuation or a mech. Do we get a 30-second there? Oh my... That was... It actually looked kind of like in the accumulation, but that was pretty good, I can't lie. Was that a 30-minute or something? Oh, actually, we have nothing there. No. I don't even mind taking that. What? Why just move me 30 points? Whatever. Okay. So we have this 15-minute gap here. I want to see either a short or a possible long from here. So we still don't get that. But it does look like we're trending really bearish right now. If we get the stop hunt into this gap, this will be... Oh, okay, this is looking really good. Let's see if we just get the 30-second. But it's still looking a little bit like accumulation here, so... okay. Sure, I don't know what it's doing right now. That 30-second short looks pretty good, but I want to see us expand more out of the accumulation, because when you have AMD setups, you just want it to be very clear, and this just doesn't really look super clear to me. So yeah. Well, let's just see if we even get the inverse. Hopefully we don't, because I don't even want to take it really. Okay, so just take it. Take all of our targets. Okay, perfect. That would have been super nice if we got it though. And then now, we already mitigated this 15 minutes, so we have no draws above. Okay, this long doesn't look bad, but it is 11 a.m. But I do know that when we have 11 a.m., it often distributes when 10 a.m. chops. So I am just gonna take that. We have an S&T here, and we're gonna have this 30-minute be open in a... Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait, see what 11 a.m. does, and if we don't manipulate lower, then I'll just take the entry. Okay, that looks pretty promising, and I'm gonna take that. We respect this 3-minute. Yeah. Okay. Let's target this. Okay, we'll just drag for 1-to-1, and let's take this. I don't really have a set of break even right now, but I think it's just gonna be when ES or NQ takes this high. Okay, I luckily just forgot to check if we even have a key level. Actually we don't, honestly. We don't. We're in this 4-hour, but we're rejecting a lot, and it's 11 a.m., so I'm actually just gonna remove this trade. I'm not gonna take that, and let's see how it would have played out though. Okay, so it does hit TP. It was a good draw, but 11 a.m. plus, we're just barely out of that gap. I'm just not really looking to take that. Next day, we take out this low. We have a super obvious daily gap right here, so I'm just gonna wait for us to tap in to this. We have a sell model as well here, generating liquidity pre-market. This could be A+. Oh my, yo, bro, that would have been such a good setup. And then now we're just gonna, oh, we just perfect, we just hit. That was some huge candles right there. Again, we kind of hit the objective, but we can see what else for. We have this 15-minute gap right here. Oh, there's a 5-minute. I do not like that. Honestly, I could just see a short towards here. Let's take any 15-minute gap. Okay, no, we didn't. Bro, that short would have been so peak. I'm just gonna wait for us to get out of the accumulation and hit this 4-hour, but it looks like we're going to be having pretty bad. This actually looks like a bank holiday a little bit, but the volatility over here. Oh my god, wait, what? Why am I trading? Oh my, that's why. Okay, yo, I was about to say, why does he always do that for some reason? Okay, whatever. But that short would have been still super good. Okay, perfect. We distribute off that daily gap. We have this 4-hour draw above. I could still see shorts towards this low resistance, but this 4-hour seems like a good spot. So we have this 15-minute internal here. We could see a long, potential long from here, or not. Just take the draw. I would just look at just take a short from here, because it looks like we've hit the EQ of the range. Do we have a 5-minute here? I wouldn't even mind taking a 5-minute. Okay, we don't get that closure, do we? No. We got a 2-minute here. We don't close above either. Honestly, if we get a 5-minute closure here, then I wouldn't be against it. Oh, okay. Or not. We just completely take everything, but I could still peep a 5-minute comp. See what we have. Okay, this looks pretty. I like the displacement on this. It looks good, but we don't really have anything above. But this rejection looks really nice. We just don't have any targets above, and that's the only reason that I fit. Especially, and also we have a bunch of low resistance below us. But if we get a resweep, this is pretty much guaranteed high. I'm just not looking to take it. But since we just got that resweep, I could see this short. Okay, another 5-minute con. That's here. I'm just not really looking because there's just nothing to target. Okay, so we don't get anything today. Let's go to the next day. 4-hour. We respect this gap. We could still draw here, but we are at equilibrium, so we can go bullish or bearish. But we did just close above this key level, so I think shorts would probably be better, honestly. Just hit this 15-minute. You can see pre-market generated a few low resistance lows, and you can just get short from here. Let's see if we get the 30-second. Oh, this is the 30-second? What? I thought we would have an entry there for sure. Oh, resweep, perfect. Oh, that looks so obvious. Okay, does ES hit that gap as well? ES hits that gap as well. I think these stacked lows, these don't distribute off anything, and our main. We have these relative equal lows with this 15-minute internal. We have this 15-minute, 30-minute internal over here as well, which I'm going to be targeting. Yeah, I actually just really like this, and you can see the obvious generation of liquidity below here. I don't like how ES is not really trending the same way, but I'm just going to ignore that. Perfect. Easy TP. I got a little scared when we went close to my stop loss, but okay, this long is actually looking pretty fire. Pretty fire though. Are we gonna ping pong this? Let's see. We still have this above. We still have this above. We're expecting this 30-minute. We're in this other 30-minute, but then we have this 15-minute internal high. just I really like this the structure of this. We have this obvious 2-minute. I don't think we close. Let me just check. Okay, so we hit this internal, which is also interacting with this 30 minutes, so I'm just not looking to take that at all. But if we keep trending up, I can see another potential long opportunity. Unless we just don't retrace at all. Okay, so no more setups of the day. Let's go. Let's just get one more trade in, and then I'm probably gonna end the video. Okay, so that sucks. We just took out this super obvious draw here. But I wouldn't even mind to long. But I think a short to this 1 hour over here would be nice, just because we've been pumping up a little bit. But let's see what we get. This just looks super obvious long formation. Just swing up and then inverse, but let's see. No 30-second resweep. This just looks like a really resweep structure. Unless we're trying to, I think we're going towards this the 4 hour with no reaction. 15-minute combo would be nice if we do get it. Okay, nice. We retrace into that. Okay, I don't like how we took out this main obvious draw here. Yeah, this is just the main draw on liquidity, and also I just don't see us coming further than this, and this structure is just a bunch of bullish candles, and then just the first bearish candle you're shorting. It's just not the best structure that you want to see. Is this 5-minute comp? Okay, no, we inverse it. If we have that 4-minute or the 3-minute, this will look pretty nice, because this is a agreed upon drawn liquidity, and also since we just seek this liquidity and rebalance this range, I could see us rebalancing down to this 30-minute after just distributing. Yeah. Okay, this is kind of weird just because it's not, the 30-minute hasn't been made yet, but I'm just going to drag for 1-to-1, and then just hope we don't get break even. And then I'll just pay attention. Okay, so looking at it right now, okay, yeah, that still is our 30-minute. So we're just gonna go break even at that high, or if ES takes it. Oh. Okay, so in this situation, there's like nothing really to do. Cause yeah, I would just have to go break even. But we're just gonna get stopped. Okay, that's so annoying, bro. Literally one tick. Okay, let's do one more day. Let's see. See what we get. Okay, so pretty obvious bullish towards this high. We're just trending up. We have this low we could short down to, and we have this huge imbalance here, which price could reverse at any time with liquidity generated pre-market at the lows. So short wouldn't be bad, but now it looks like longs are pretty obvious. Equal lows, are we gonna hit that? I don't think it's even sponsored. Resweep, perfect AMD, that would be nice. 30-second possibly? No. Still looks like we're accumulating. Don't hit the John liquidity without me. Oh, okay. Okay, so I guess we do not want that. Point of rejection. Okay, let's see what we have here. We don't hit anything. Okay, we just take all of my draws. Perfect. If we get a good long here, I could consider it. 2 minute inverse took the highs. Nope. We're not taking that. Say this 4-minute. Wait, did we close that 4-minute or no? We did. I think we have a 5-minute here. It looks like a 5-minute structure. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah, there we go. So we did just hit this 1 hour, but I feel like the draw is still lower just because we have these lows, these stacked lows here, and we have, yeah, I just feel like we're gonna get a, because if we're gonna distribute off this 1 hour, then why would we respect a 30-minute or a 15-minute gap? I'm just gonna go here just because if we really get past that, actually, you know what? I'm just gonna wait for I'm just gonna wait for a little gap tap, and then maybe like a 15-second inversion, or like not just I'm taking entry off the 15-second, but just like a little bit more confirmation. Yeah, like that's what I'm talking about. Tap this. Oh, we don't even tap anything for real. You know what? Whatever. I get better risk to reward anyway on this. Oh wait, actually the 5-minute hasn't closed yet. 5 minutes has yet to close. Okay, so the 5-minute closes. I'm just gonna take this. I'm not gonna take it just because I don't feel like it's super obvious low. Okay, I guess it was pretty obvious, but
Damn, yeah, look, he should have took that. But let's just check the stats for the thing.
okay, so these are the stats. So 100% win rate, 4 trades, 2 break even. Those 2 break evens are so stupid. We literally got break even and then straight to TP. That was so annoying. But these are the stats. And yeah. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video.